Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Coinbase account is crucial for trading cryptocurrencies and accessing all platform features. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. Use two-factor authentication for added security. Step 2. Navigate to Settings and click on Verify Your Identity or complete the verification prompt on your dashboard. Step 3. Enter your legal full name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. Any discrepancies will delay verification. Step 4. Provide your date of birth and current residential address. This information must match your ID documents. Step 5. Enter your Social Security number or tax identification number for identity verification and tax reporting. Step 6. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID. Ensure all corners are visible and text is readable. Step 7. Complete the selfie verification. Hold your device steady and ensure your face is clearly visible in good lighting. Step 8. Wait for Coinbase to review your information. This typically takes 5 to 10 minutes, but can take up to 48 hours. Step 9. Check your email for verification confirmation and follow any additional steps if requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.